Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage light color filter on Onyx Boox Poke 2. To do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger from the top right corner of the screen. Inside you should be able to find e-ink center, click on it, and then you'll be able to find light color filter that you can adjust using the slider. Now, if you can't see the e-ink center inside this control center, you need to click on this pen button right there and then drag the e-ink center from the bottom up, and that way you should be able to find it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.